I believe there's a lot of newcomers who have joined recently. I want 4 of the latest, newest members of SAP in terms of not age, in terms of team experience in this team, who have joined this team in the last 1 month or 2 weeks or 3 weeks, come up front. Now your objective is to choose your teammates. Okay? Simple? But compulsorily, this rule has to be followed. You will choose the person that you have no idea was in your team until today. That you've never seen him in office, or you might have seen him, but you know him the least or her the least. You have never interacted, you just know hi, bye. Very basically, you met them. Okay? Choose them first. People who you know will have to be chosen at the complete end. Deal? Be honest about that. Take the most randomest of teams. If you don't know the names, you know everybody's name?
No.
Okay. If you don't know the name, you point out or tell what cap is wearing, what shirt is wearing, what she's wearing, and you can call them. And if they don't know your name, you guys will introduce yourself and walk and stand behind the captains. Okay? Black shades. Who else, man? Black shades. They're all specs then. You, next.
Green full sleeve.
Green full sleeves. Okay, that is kind of a green. Come. Next, go.
White t-shirt.
White t-shirt. You're the only one, don't worry. Come on. Next. Abdul, okay, next. Black jacket. Name. For them. Next.
Blue t-shirt.
Which blue man?
The black one. With glasses.
With the glasses. Name. They don't know your names. Sachin. Okay, next.
Go wrong.
I'm gonna quickly read out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It's called 20, right? Okay, the game is called 2020. Okay, very simple. The rules for this game are very minimal. Team 1, Team 2, Team 3, and Team 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good to go? All yours. First challenge. Kiki challenge without a car, compulsory to be done by a person who's been in SAP more than 5 years. Kiki challenge, you guys don't know what it is? Figure it out. Okay, listen. Kiki challenge without a car with the person who's in the video should be 5 years plus in SAP. Get 5 different shapes of stones. Do a dub smash video. Get a safety pin. Team photo with everyone's feet in the air. A stone of 5 kilos or more. A guy in a bridal attire. Get a pink sock with a hole. Video of entire team doing 5 push-ups. Get a 5 rupee note. Get any postal stamp. Video of a successful flip the bottle challenge with one of your teammates doing it. 5 different cards apart from anyone in SAP, business cards. Okay? 3 different types of tissue papers. SAP ice bucket challenge. Get 2 different shades of mud. Perform a magic trick on video. All these things performing are all on video. Get an Indian flag, not a picture or a soft copy. Get an actual Indian flag. Use 5 different languages to recite the dialogue. Rahul, मैं तुम्हारे बच्चे की माँ बनने वाली हूँ. 5 different languages to recite that dialogue. Recite 15 South Indian menu items in 30 seconds in a video. Your 15 minutes time starts now. Go. 90% of the teams send one person in the bottom at the first. 90% of the teams. Both the teams had a strategy saying that we'll send the last guy down. But this team in the middle, they panicked. Like, we need extra supporters, so reaches our job. How will the last person come? You guys, there was no time, so the last person they scooted in the last second. That is allowed. Okay, no problem. But 2 people left out here. We could have done it a little faster. 2 people have done. There are only 3 people left in the last 3 hours. So you guys completed the last guy here who did that. Okay. So anyways, good job. Nicely done. Okay, hope you had fun. They will finish. After they finish, they will come here. You guys will do that activity. Thank you guys. Good job. Lovely game. Lovely game.
All right. I won't bore you. Had fun.
Yes.
No.
Not at all. We did not. First the balloons were
I asked the winners.
First the balloons were less.
I asked the winners.
Then the balloons were biased. Then they were yellow in color.
Next game.
Guys, for some juice.
All right. What a break.
Yes.
And careful.
That's the spirit.
Hi guys, this is Sharath from Outbound. I was the training partner today with SAP CP Core team. This is the 3rd time they've traveled with us, and like the last 2 times, they showed phenomenal energy today. I think whether you throw rain at them when we did it in Serai, or extreme heat in Lalit Bekal, or even the slushy grounds here in Coorg, these guys bring out the best energy. Even after traveling the whole night by bus, they showed brilliant energy on the ground. Second half, we did the roller coaster challenge, which was also phenomenal. They worked together really well, used their resources, collaborated, and did a phenomenal job. I can't wait to see what they do next year. We'll come back with some more activities, and I wish CP Core all the very best. Awesome job, guys. Thank you.